Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy M11 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera gridlines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. By tapping on this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on the useful features. At the third position in this category we have the grid lines, so by using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that as we need. For now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to see them. As you can see, it shows us these lines. This is useful when we want to use the rule of third in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left corner at the bottom to the gallery, we can't see them at the real picture. So they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course, when we don't need this, we can easily go back to the settings in the left corner and once again pick in the useful features the grid lines option. So by tapping on this button we can easily turn them off, and in the camera preview, as you can see, now they have gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.